Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to install SQL Server 2025 in a Windows 11 system. Okay, I hope my and content is helpful for you. And if you are new here, before starting the video, if you are new here, please go and subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon, which is very helpful for the notification for the new videos which will be uploaded on this channel. Okay, so first go to the browser and open it and click on here and type SQL Server download. After this page is open, click on the first link, Microsoft Server SQL Server downloads. Okay, this is the user interface of the Microsoft website, and scroll down slowly and go to the top download section. You can see here lots of options of the SQL Server 2025. We can go with the SQL Server 2025 Express Edition. Okay, you have to click on the download tab here, and the downloading option of this application or exe file is completed here. Now click on this exe file, and the notification on your screen is visible, and click on the yes tab here. You can follow these steps. This is the very easy steps, basic steps. You can follow this and install this application in your systems, multiple systems, as very simple. Okay, just click on the basic edition, and you can multiple options here, but we are going with the basic option, and click on the accept tab, which is the confirmation from your side of the license term. Okay, click on yes, accept it. This is your location where this application is going to install. Okay, if you want to change the application location, installation location, you can click on the browse tab and select your system location where you have to where you want to install the application. Okay, I'm going with this location and click on the install tab here, and it will take few times, and downloading is completed here and installing is started. Okay, it will take few minutes for the installation. Here, this is the next step of the installation. Installation is completed now. Here the installation is completed now. SQL Server Edition, SQL Server Express Edition is installed in your system. Now you want SQL Server Management Studio, which is used to handle the Express server. Okay, so here is your option for the installation of SSMS. Just click on the tab. These are the locations where your application is installed. Okay, now we can move here and download the SQL Server Management Studio 2022. Okay, this is the latest version of this server, SQL Management Studio. SQL Management Studio. This is the latest version of the SQL Server Management Studio. Just click on the tab and download it, and double click on it, exe file. Click on yes tab. Just follow my steps for the installation. Click continue here. If you want anything else, you can select it on or not. Just click on the install tab. Here you have two options: install while downloading and download all and then install. I'm going with the install while downloading and click on the tab that is called install tab. Okay, these two applications are already stored in my system, that's why you can see on it. I have two Visual Studios 2022 and 2026. In my last video I was telling you how to install a Visual Studio Community Edition of 2026 version. If you are not installed and if you want to see that video, you can check it on my last video. Okay, Downloading is completed here. Now the installation of this management studio is going to be process is under process, is in under process. Okay, it will take some time. Here, as you can see, the installation is completed now, and you can see the message here. This message is shown to you to restart your application. Now we are going to restart application, then we will come back again. Yeah. Now click on the launch tab. Skip Click on the skip tab. If you want to log in with your email, then click on sign in with Microsoft or create a new account. Okay, now I'm going with the skip section. Here is the message that is showing and telling me if you want to import a setting of the previous version of the SQL Server which is already installed in your system, then click on this section, otherwise click on this section. I want to get the older version settings, so click on the import from SSM 220. If you don't, then click on this. Okay, here is the login section of this is your application. This is your SQL Server name and Windows authentication. We are going with Windows authentication and click on the connect. The SQL Server is installed and you can use now as per your requirement. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video is very helpful for you, and I'm going to end up this video. Okay, thanks for watching.